In this video, I will show you how to install programs and apps in Windows. Whether you are clearing up space or removing unused software, this quick step-by-step guide will help you do it easily and safely. Let's get started. Click on the Start menu and search for Settings. Launch it. Navigate to the option Apps. Now head over to the option Installed Apps. In this page, you're going to find the list of the apps that are installed in your Windows. Head over to the app that you want to delete. For that, you can click on three dots. Click on the option Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again to confirm it. With that, the selected app will be installed. Scroll to find the app or program you want to remove. In case you cannot find over here, you can close this. Now search for Control Panel. Click on the option Programs. In this page, you're going to find the list of the programs. Now navigate to any of the program that you want to install. Right-click on it and select the option Install. And that's it. That's how you install any app or program in Windows. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.